Hi, I'm Chef Christopher. Welcome to my restaurant. We're going to show you a series of cooking steps that learning one recipe, you can make many different kinds of pastries. So the first one today that everything's based on is vanilla sauce. So what we have here, we have some egg yolks, and we have some sugar, and we have some cream. We're going to bring the cream to a simmer, and while that's getting hot, we're going to cream the yolks and the sugar together to get some nice little pale color. We have a vanilla bean we're going to toss into the cream, let it infuse, and we slice it in half and we scrape the seeds out and let it steep in this hot cream. Now that this is done, I'm going to temper the egg yolk mixture and sugar with a little bit of the cream so we don't make scrambled eggs. And then we're going to go back into the pot and take it right to the stove. Now we've cooked this just below a simmer. We don't want to scramble it. And we strain it, and you can tell when it's done when it cooks the back of a spoon. And you can see it's gotten thick here, and there's no scrambled eggs on the bottom. Should you happen to break the sauce, it's very easy to put back together. Just throw it in the blender, blend it, and then restrain it. What's very important here, we save this vanilla bean. We're going to rinse it off, and then we're going to dry it out, and we'll show you how to do something else with it later. Now with our vanilla sauce, this is our base for all these recipes in this series. I have some coffee beans. We can pour a little in there like that. I have some fruit puree. And I have some grated chocolate. We just stir them up, and now we make 3 different sauces. We let the coffee beans infuse with this, and we'll strain it later, and we'll have espresso sauce. We'll let this melt, and we'll have chocolate sauce. And then we have the fruit puree, which we're going to have a fruit sauce. You can do blueberries, raspberries, anything you want, and then we'll show you what you can do with these later. Super simple, super easy, and we'll show you the next step later.